What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I'm your host, Cameron Salapak, and today we're going to be working on my Jeep truck build. We're going to be taking some square tubing that looks like this, we're going to turn it into something that looks like this, and eventually something that looks like this. So today we're not going to be using a workbench. We're going to be borrowing the bed that we built as our workbench. Now there are many ways to cut metal and bend it and do all the cool crazy things that these fabricators are doing. Alright guys, now that we have this headache rack up here, it's sitting a little tall. And I left it that way because you can cut away metal, you can add it back, but it's a bit of a process. So instead of having to weld it and do all that kind of stuff and grind it down and make sure it's, all square and everything, I just left it tall so that way I could cut it down and make it much easier. I thought I had it where I like it, but kind of sleeping on it a little bit last night, I'm thinking, it's just not, it just doesn't look right. So we're gonna cut it down. I'm thinking about 2 inches on either side, and then we're gonna see where it sits at. Now, you may be seeing that it's a little crooked. It's just the way the bed is sitting on the tires. I don't really have the bed bolted down to the frame yet. That's gonna be coming in another video, but let's go ahead and get this stuff cut. Now that we got everything cut, let's go ahead and see how it looks. I think that it looks pretty good. I like how high it is. I think it looks proportionate to the bed, whereas before it was too tall and disproportionate. But I like the way this came out.